Hi everyone, I'll be talking about immune systems, and which entails B cells and T cells. What these do is that T cells are involved in the cell mediated immunity, whereas B cells are primarily responsible for humoral immunity relating to antibodies. The function of T cells and B cells are to recognize a specific non-self antigen, which means not connected with the within the cell, and during this process the antigen shows its presentation. How T cells and B cells work together: they respond to foreign cells to fight infection and battle a virus or defend the body from bacteria. This is acquired for the immunity to it. Also, adaptive immunity use T cells and B cells invading an organism, which slips through the first line of defense. And they're also called lymphocytes. How they are able to create and produce antibodies: the activation of a B cell by the armed helper of the T cell, which is used through the peptides of a complex and can be recognized by an actual antigen-specific helper T cell. This stimulates to make the proteins run and in turn causes the B cells to proliferate and progeny to differentiate into antibody-secreting cells. So it's just being able to kind of complex that. The immune system B cells are known as the type of white blood cells of the that are subtyped. The function is to just be able to create some kind of antibody in the body to fight infection. Usually that's an innate response in our body when an infection invades. How T cells kill viruses: they're called killer T cell receptors. The T cells release peroxin and cytotoxins. The cytotoxins go directly into the cell through the pores, destroying it and any viruses inside, so it's a fighter. That's kind of an explanation of B cells and T cells. Thank you guys and have a good day.